only had one menu up there for me to get. Maybe I'll actually have you go order for us.
Great idea.
I bought him because he had said, well, I don't want to buy anything he wanted to show. Like he bought new reading one. No, like 30. If you need new ones, get new ones, you know, whatever. Because he buys these computer ones. And I said, get them.
I don't know. I think I might have done this the last time we were here, but I'm going to get a burger.
I don't think you've been here. I don't think you've ever been here, have you?
Yeah, with you and Tom.
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Yeah. Sorry.
And then after we had gone
So you want me to get you here? You got it.
Thank you.
That the thing is, it would come in and stuff. So, and then he had a coupon for our, but that didn't work. And I said, well, I have a coupon. And they wouldn't take it. And he goes, what do you want to do? And I said, just get it.
Yeah, too bad Brandon.
And Target's had one, but he had to order it. It had to come in.
I'm going to go with the chile relleno.
All right.
And you're getting the tuna burger.
Yeah.
And then they have like chips and salsa or something.
I said, how can I get it? And they go, yeah, you can. And I said, he said, the white. And I said, that doesn't make sense. No.
What, guacamole and chips? They don't seem to have chips and salsa, but they have guacamole and chips.
Sounds good to me.
Okay. And
This one's the watermelon.
I want a large iced tea.
Okay.
Okay, can you remember all that?
Okay, guac and chips.
Large
The
iced
chili relleno is Christmas.
Well, it just comes the way it does.
Okay. Large iced tea. Okay. Is that it?
And then whatever
and then
your
mine.
and your drink.
So do you want it all to come at once? Is that how it comes? Comes how it comes?
However,
Okay.
yeah. Then here's money. So
So now that
So it could bump you up.
It will, but.
Yeah, well, yeah. That gives them motivation to keep me alive. Because she put
I
me
think
off,
that
so I
it
get my house, I get
should
my-
do it. And then this can be the tip. But won't that do it? I think that'll do it.
No.
We're gonna, within a year.
Yeah. But I was.
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm not sure how much it is. So
Okay. So I just go up and order at the counter.
Right now.
yeah, and then they'll give you a number, and you have to get the drinks and stuff
Okay.
probably. Oh, and here's this. This goes in there.
But I didn't know. Whichever one is higher, say mine is higher, then we could go with 1.5 mine.
Did you want a glass?
Yeah, that's a good gift.
Never heard of it.
Darren, would you grab a water? Just a water, too. Thank you.
Might as well get every little
Are you okay on the jungle over there? Very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got this. You got the bucket.
That's good.
So I guess I do have my cat. But I have some grass.
I'll let you know if I start seeing claws come out. You're deep in there. So, You good, Doug? He's
Did you say destructive?
Long puppies are. Yeah, I still remember all the tree shoes and socks. Yeah, Louis was. In fact, we still have birds of that.
Furniture that he chooses.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just know. I remember the her chum shoe every single thing because I still have the high shoe. She played every single thing.
She was pushing you.
Yeah, my neck was. That's me high heel shoe.
There's some kind of
Jane still has her high
or at least when I see the other part of the study, I see lapsing that she's
Like they could do better. That's one thing in grammar. It's my mom did it like
we're gonna put some
third year.
Well, not just a high heel. She has 2 old bikes. And we went ahead and took one of them with us because we were taking some bikes and we could take one of
no
them.
problem.
And so we
This is
donated.
your seasonal then, if there's.
I said, you know what, Jane? Do you really want to ride with me? Borrow one. What's the chances that she'll ever join us? Exactly.
She's good to go. I'm probably not going to get her. So I'm going to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would
But
like
we're
to.
younger.
Yeah, but even the chances of me getting it out of the shed. See if it still works.
How does she do?
Can you send me like the shapes?
I said not to run them hard until late.
Oh, really?
It's because they're still growing.
Oh, that's funny because like I read 12 months.
Yeah, they kind of sit down to.
No.
No.
Well, it's fine.
I took a bunch of them, so we might want to choose which ones you want. Here, I'll just play it with you. Because I just clicked a bunch of mine.
They kind of have an orchard.
What are you guys talking about?
The dog.
Yeah, they got original.
Have you sent it?
This is the bird song too.
Mating call of the obnoxious.
The obnoxious American black field again.
That's right.
Car.
Oh, it's funny. I saw 2,000 go up on top of.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, we have the letters.
I grabbed the menu anyway.
Oh, no worries.
You can take it back
Yes.
with you. There you go. Thanks.
The sun is moving, so we'll be moving around. I may move back over there in a while. How'd that go?
That went fine.
Where's that? Did you already leave a tip?
Yeah,
Oh, good.
she handed me a couple bucks and some change, and there's a tip jar.
Yeah.
And I just threw that in the tip
Oh,
jar. And I think
okay.
it's fine.
I told you what to leave, but you didn't hear it. It's
Well,
all right.
Just
It worked.
Are you doing that on the street or the sidewalk? I've seen some obvious buses already. One side of the flag. And it's not just the I worry about that dog getting caught up in
I want to buy a little package of straws from Starbucks. They're reusable straws, and carry them around in my purse where I always have them.
Oh, that's smart. Do you need a straw? I might have those straws you just gave me.
You have one in your...
think so.
Okay. Nice and cool. Whoa. Yeah.
A big guy.
Freaking,
We get little
the wind might blow in some monsoons. That'd be nice.
natural
Air
seasoning
conditioning.
and
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah. That delicious smell is your burger. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it smells great.
Do you need anything else with your meal?
No? So I mean if you ordered everything I said, yeah.
Chili random plate, guac and chips,
Yeah.
large iced tea.
Yeah. And your food. Here comes the guac and chips. Oh, thank you so much.
You put it right in the middle?
Perfect.
All right. Nice.
Thank you.
That is guac. That is just like guac. No messing around. Prairie guac.
Yeah.
Desert.
Desert guac, we'll call it this time. Because it feels like the desert today.
Homemade. Obviously.
Yeah. One thing I don't have is a bunch of extra napkins, so we may have to get that. When they come here, maybe we can ask them. Some ketchup, they'll probably have that.
I painted their nose.
Hey, cheers. Happy
Clean.
birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Clean.
Clean.
I actually found
That was good.
the last page of it has their trees.
Dobby's happy to be able to come in and be out of a box. Tune up cafe.
Look, you might end up in the shade and over in the back again.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
That's
move.
good. At least it's going to be shady.
Yeah.
This is good guac. This is good guac. This is some of the best guac I've ever had.
Guacamole.
He was like, but in the house, he was like,
I don't mind getting some exercise. Moving back and forth.
What do they call it?
Seems like
Watch out, Dobby. Underwater.
more or less showed up at the tail end of the lunch rush, I think. Which the universe at least agreed.
Yep. And that's all you
They
need.
do a robust business.
They do.
And that's good. That's what
Yeah.
we're pretty near the train station here, right? The bus station and the train station.
No,
No, not down here.
we're near the Guru.
Okay.
Kinda.
Trying to figure
You'd have
out
to go across St. Francis to get to the Gurus.
why I was walking around in this neighborhood like the first day I showed up in San Jose.
Because you were lost.
I don't think I was. I think it must have been a different neighborhood. One that reminds me of this one.
Look, that's a corner grocery store. I've never seen that.
Yeah, that's cute, right? That's what I felt like I
Wow.
remember seeing it. The
Well, I
store
wanna
with
go
a little
see
bit of
it.
everything it says.
After we are done here, let's walk over there and look.
Okay, yeah, so those of you who come to Tune Up Cafe after seeing this clip, remember there's a little corner grocery store across the
Yeah,
street.
Aranda's Corner Grocery.
Go buy yourself some whatever. They got a little bit of everything. I gotta slow down on the guac. It's so good. I'll eat it all and I'll be cool. Well, this is Sublime Honey Bun. Thank you.
Nice. Another chip. This is nice. Really nice.
Yeah, I like it. They've got a lot of art inside. At some point, I'm gonna meander through. I'm not sure where the bathrooms are. Maybe they're
Way in the back.
Oh, good.
And I want to go too.
Good excuse to meander. I want to just look at the place, you know,
Yeah.
after lunch.
I'm going to try not to eat more of this.
Yeah, it's my last one. That's so good.
Excellent. Very fresh, perfectly ripe.
Well,
I'm not supposed to eat this. I forgot. Be careful, your silverware is hot if it's like mine from being in the sun.
oh yeah.
To get more tea or another drink, you have to go in and get it. So you will be the one running in and out. Yeah, it's good.
I wonder who came up with chips.
Brilliant genius.
Let's make something called chips, and they'll mostly be just for scooping up other stuff.
Sorry, we're being discreet today, but you go ahead and have more chips.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that.
But these are good chips. You
I'm
know,
just
these are
saying
not
that.
just chips, but
I don't want people here to know we're filming, but you could talk to me like that.
I get excited.
But what were you saying?
That, you know,